Hello, dear students. I hope you all are staying safe at home and taking care of yourself and your family members. Students, due to this current situation, we are moving towards digital education. And as a part of it, we are going through this introductory session of our 12th English New Syllabus 2020. So, welcome, dear students. Here we have introduction to the syllabus. You know that there are four important components of syllabus and those are prose, poetry, writing skill and novel. This is the front page of our textbook. Here we have a list or we have the contents. So in section prose we have 8 lessons. Here we have a list of all those lessons and the writers. We have an the first lesson we have is an astrologer's day by R.K. Narayan. The second lesson on saying please is by Alfred George Gardiner. Lesson number 3 is the cop and the anthem is by O. Henry. The fourth lesson, big data and big insights, the writer is not given. Lesson number 5 is the new dress is by Virginia Woolf. Lesson number 6, Into the Wild, is by Kiran Purandare. Lesson number 7, Why We Travel, is by Siddharth Piko Raghavan Iyer. And the last lesson, Voyaging Towards Excellence, is by Achyut Godbole. Section number 2 is about poetry. The first poem, Song of the Open Road, is by Walt Whitman. Second poem, Indian Weavers, is by Sarojini Naidu. Poem number 3, The Inchcape Rock, is by Robert Sadeh. And the fourth poem, Have You Earned Your Tomorrow, is by Edgar Guest. The fifth poem, Father Returning Home, is by Dilip Chitre. The sixth poem, Money, is by William H. Davis. The seventh poem, She Walks in Beauty, is by George Gordon Byron. And the last one, Small Towns and Rivers, is by Mamak Day. So you can easily understand that we have a mixture of both Indian and foreign writers, poet and poetess. Our next section is about writing skill, and here we have 6 topics, that is summary writing, mind mapping, note making, how to write a statement of purpose, how to draft a virtual message, and group discussion. Our section 4 is actually about the genre novel. We have already studied drama and this year we are going to study about novel. So remind it well that our section 4 is about novel, though it is written drama over here. So here we are going to study history of novel in 4.1. In 4.2, 3 and 4 we have 3 novels. To Serve with Love by E.R. Brainwet. 4.3, Around the World in 80 Days by Jules Gabriel Verne. And 4.4, The Sign of 4 is by Sir Arthur Ignatius Conan Doyle. So here we have the list of our poems, lessons, writing skill and novels. Here we have a chart in front of our eyes. It is about what are the things we are going to learn in each and every lesson. See, in the first column, title or type of the topic is given. Then in the next column, vocabulary, language study or poetic devices, what we are going to learn, it is given over here. Then what are the writing skills we are going to learn, and then few extension activities are given over there, and then we have the list of values, life skills, etc. I will read only one here as an example. For example, if we study the first lesson, An Astrologer's Day, our focus is on code mixing and word uses in the vocabulary section. And in writing skill, we are going to study about how to draft a speech and how to expand an idea. Our focus is also to read a lesson as a short story, and reading a short story as a form of a literature. There are various forms of literature, just like short stories, essays, etc. etc. And life skills or values we are going to learn about them are wit and humor, astuteness, ingenuity, etc. Astuteness means what? It is the ability of a person to understand the things better. That is what astuteness is there. So these are the few things you can learn through one lesson, and our focus is there on given topics which are I have already discussed with you. So in each and every lesson we are going to learn about few topics from vocabulary, from few from language, few for grammar, and few from writing skill. So every time we will discuss in detail whenever we start a lesson. So before going ahead, I would like to give you a homework. See, a homework is given over here. First of all, solve the question in ice breaking section which is there before the first lesson. Then read the first lesson. After reading the lesson, you can easily find out the new words from the lesson and then find out their dictionary meanings. It will help you to understand the lesson better. So this is your homework. It will definitely help us in our next session. Thank you, dear students. We will meet soon and get ready for our next session. Thank you.